Uno yalam kaliang persya umukul sangma, ulakin tho jori ka Sorkar Jylla, halor ka jingsniu ka suk kasan Shillong, hadian ka black flag bike rally jong ka KSU, haka khat kandai tering unailar. Ulakin no abaka Sorkar kala ino ikijing maham bajumi na kiseng balang, kabala wanrah ikijing bitar baka jingsosi hapadeng ki paidbah. Usang ma uloong, baladala ay jingbit ya kijing alang paidbah, ka Sorkar ka dewan pinkre bhai kila jingïada, batban shimkiai kijing ma, kibala aban mi. Uloong ru ba Jingia Kam Dei kenad hapdeng ki paidbah Meghalaya bat Assam, hinrei Jingia ka bami na Jingbombiang jingpin kre jong ka Sorkar. Uloong ru ba Sorkar banya kun persya jingpin sngot hu bakla, kamtam ha ka baki Khubor Sapriang sten, lingba kilar pathai Khubor, ha ka bakun ukintu ya baro ban ampet ya Jingia jong ka khat khandai tering, kum jingele persya hapdeng ki paidbah.
Let me put it in my own way. If you look at the incident and the genesis, how the culmination till the day when the incident took place, it is see we have been confronted by challenges in the past when issues are being raised in the best interests of the people in the state by various stakeholders and particularly civil society organizations representing the people, the stakeholders. It is important for government to take cognizance of every issue. Now, therefore, whether the government was not in a position to understand the magnitude of the kind of frustration and anger that will ultimately be the end result of government's insensitivity to those issues when they were being flagged before the government. That is one part. Now, the day of the incident, is it not possible for the government to know what is going to happen? It's a complete failure of the government. It's a complete failure of the government. Now, if a permission has been issued for organizing a rally, was it not necessary to give advisory to the public as well? You see? Based on whatever inputs the government has all the necessary government machineries to have all kinds of inputs. And therefore, accordingly, put in place all measures which is capable of ensuring that things, what has happened, would not have happened. So it's a failure of the government. Yes, I am sorry to say that. Yeah, it's a failure of government. But at the same time, it is also very important for us to know that as an aftermath of that incident, the overall, I must say, the fallout of that incident. I think it is also very important not to give this incident that kind of picture which has a ramification in a very different angle. It is not a conflict between the people of Meghalaya and people of Assam. It is an unpleasant incident that has happened because of failure of the state government of Meghalaya. You see? But then, as you see, what is happening till now as we speak, I think there is, you have to be very careful because we are in an era where the media spreads like anything. Not the conventional media, the social media. It's an era of social media. Therefore, utmost precaution has to be taken by any government of the day to ensure that, okay, any incident which has got the potentiality of creating a different kinds of interpretation is taken cognizance of and dealt with effectively. Have you seen that coming from the government? Till now, I haven't seen. I'm sorry. The only thing I have seen is that, okay, law will take its own course. They don't have to tell about how the law will take its own course. It's a natural course. It is the easiest thing to say for any government. Law will take its own course. But who prevented the government from taking cognizance of the seriousness of these issues that was flagged by the civil society organizations to draw the attention of the government. See, that's exactly what I am referring to. You have to read between the lines. Government has all the necessary government machineries to have all the necessary inputs under any given situation. And all these government machineries must be activated accordingly. And because you have activated the government machineries, therefore, I have every reasons to believe that you will have all the kinds of necessary inputs to know what is the likelihood of a situation, the fallout, if any. And that is one part. But another part is the power of anticipation, as to what can happen. It is necessary for any government of the day to understand the likelihood of any this kind of situation when such a rally is being organized. And this rally to protest against the insensitivity of the government, where the frustration has become anger. The anger has resulted in rebellion. Have I not said it number of times in the August House itself? In the last assembly I have said, there is no space for government to be complacent. Don't take things for granted. These are the exact words I have used in the House in the last assembly. Then after that, what happened in Garwal, you have seen it. Now you're seeing it in Shillong. And the ultimate fallout. Therefore, you see, what I can see, and based on my analysis, is that the people in government have missed priorities. That is very dangerous in a democracy. Because everyone who has the responsibility of governance must understand the priority. You see, they're busy in other priorities. That's why this unfortunate incident, damaging the peaceful environment of the state and the region. And at the same time, I would like to appeal to all concerned that whatever incident has taken place on the 19th must not be given the kind of perception which should revolve around as an incident because of the conflict between different communities. It shouldn't be. It is something which has happened because of, as I have said, because of the adequate preemptive measures that was not taken by the government.
Kata baik semakat Sngi sangka.
Sngi kan ada dari MSIS. Mau.
Gak Jingiada bahasa yang Sorkar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Ada MHIS kapi.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi ni konfi hap ada medika hostel, dah hap lek pi ka registration. Dalam dampi dengan smart card, dah sampai cok.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni konfi hap lek operation ni yo.แต่ความกล้ามตัวครับปัญญาในพี่อยากไปสร้างตะกันครับหลาย operation นี้แต่ว่า MHIS กัดพี่และนี่ก็ smart card แต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่องพี่
Ri nak pagi mon lek yo poisa sumar ni kon. Abenda ni ksir yo sumar. Kebelah si bona karo Jylla atau percangkap ni ya.
Ini kan mana dia smart card.
Oh, kan teh. Kebelah si bon. Mau.
Thank you.